Well, I, I can't. I don't know who could have put this in here, but I don't want to doubt anybody on the SMP for taking Skillet because, like, I can't just turn on my neighbors. I don't, I don't. But somebody's doing this because, like, look, the like flyer's missing. The flyer is missing from the thing, and we just put those up, but they're gone already. So it's obviously something that's constant that somebody's doing this for. And whatever. I don't want this to be happening. I really miss Skillet, and I hope he's doing okay wherever he is. Yeah, I just walked into the river because I wasn't paying attention. Well, I guess all I can really do right now to like help our family and help find Skillet is um I guess I could support the bakery, I guess. I mean, I guess it's my wife's bakery, no big deal. Wow, it's really nice over here. Well, might as well harvest these since they're not getting harvested. And I think I'm gonna go back to the community farm and get the sugarcane in the community areas. Do, 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 do. Oh wow, it's grown already. I just picked that and it's already grown. Oh, of course. I like water. Water is fun. Wow, and the wheat's already grown too. Wow, lots of good stuff. I could get some pumpkins. Um, I know that I put stuff in here. I could get sugar cane for the bakery. I could get some wheat. Here, I'll put some of this back. I'll get the pumpkin that I got. Hmm. Supporting my wife's business. Let's go. I could get some ink sacs from the squid too. For my own personal use. Because emeralds. Villagers, emeralds. There's some pretty good deals at Forg's bank. He put up some villagers. And they have pretty good deals for some pretty nice stuff. Okay, where does everything go? Okay, pumpkins. Yeah, okay. Wheat. Yeah, okay. Sugar. Sugar. That is not sugar. Sugar? Yes, okay. I'll just put the sugar cane in there, I guess. Oh, wait. If the wheat goes there, why is it over here? Wait a sec. Wait, why do I still have more sugar cane? Wait, I'm so confused. I just confused myself. And I could harvest some of the wheat and donate that to, because, you know, it's grown, might as well make a profit. Okay, woo. This is really satisfying. Kind of laggy though. Whoa, that's a lot of stuff. Should I like harvest the entire thing? Is that too much? I don't know. Might as well. Pew. Oh, what did I do? Oh! Wait, did I accidentally right click? I think I did. I'll get it later. Don't worry, I do replant. I am not that kind of person who doesn't replant. There's so much. I'm gonna guess that I'll get... How many stacks of wheat? I'm gonna get some stacks of wheat. I'm gonna get... my guess is like... Oh no! Did I do that? That's not cool. I'll plant these. Did I do that? That sucks. I'm sorry. I hope I was not the one responsible for that. Wow, after all of this, I think I'm probably gonna get, like... How many stacks of wheat? Okay, you know what? Now seeing all of this, I think I'm gonna get like 6 stacks of wheat from it. I know. Get off the wheat. Wait. Oh my god! Okay, wait. Everything's fine. Hold on. Uh-oh. This is not good. Okay. No. Yes. Oh my gosh. Okay. Hold on. Okay, I should have thought this through a little further. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I don't have the inventory space for this. Okay, grow. Grow. Oh my gosh. I'm so stupid. I am not intelligent at all. It's okay, we all make mistakes. Oh my goodness. Note to self, stop, please. Please stop. Planting seeds. Oh no, was that me too? Oh my gosh. It's because the soil's dried out, isn't it? Okay, plant. Oh no, please. I'm sorry, dry soil. We should get more water. Get more water buckets. Nothing's going right here. It's okay. Nothing's going okay. Nothing is okay. Wait, I picked up everything. Hey! Oh, I was so focused on the negatives that I didn't focus on the positives. I was so focused on the fact that my inventory was full and I wrecked the field by accident that I didn't realize that it's okay and we can fix it and it's okay. Help. Oh god, I'm so scared. Oh, okay. Okay, calm down. Everything's fine. Nothing to be worried about. Nothing to fear. Pick up wheat. Move on. Plant more. Is this what it's like being a farmer? Pick up wheat. Plant. Pick up wheat. Plant. Pick up wheat. Plant. Oh my gosh. This is tedious. I cannot believe that Wild does this. Probably every day too, to keep her business afloat. Meanwhile, I'm a loser who's selling flags in the flag shop. Which, by the way, I made a flag shop. Fun fact. I also have a flower shop, which is fitting because Lily. I'll show you the flag shop after I'm done planting this because this is gonna take a while. Oh my gosh. Why does wheat give so many wheat seeds? I mean, like, I know it's to expand your farm, but like after everything's done, it's so painful to have so many extras. like, I think beetroots give you, like, double. So, like, they give you, like, if you got 8 beetroots, you got, like, 16 seeds. I think. But I'm not for sure. But, like, I feel like wheat gives you, like, every 1 wheat you get, like, 20 wheat seeds. Oh no, it's getting dark. Okay. I'm gonna donate the wheat quick, and then I'm gonna run back to the community farm, and then I'm gonna show you guys my shop. Okay, where does the wheat go? That is the question. Okay, I'll put, wait, stop. That. I got too much. Oh my goodness. Okay. No. Okay, I could put some wheat in here. Everything's fine. Nothing's wrong. Okay, moving on. Composting the seeds. Because I'm environmentally friendly towards Minecraft. Oh, also, I changed my skin. So I have pants now instead of a skirt because it's winter. I don't know. Plus, Jenna's mountain is all covered in snow now, so whenever I go up there, it's all cold. So, gotta get my pants, you know? I don't know if I ever showed this, but if you put, like, your seeds and stuff in here, there's a composter down here, and it just automatically does it. I used a lot of that bone meal because I was making spawn all grassy and leafy and nice. Oh my god, are you kidding me? The poster's missing on that one too? Oh my god, are none of the posters around anymore? Well, there's one, okay. I don't have any extras. That sucks. I swear, whoever, like, I don't want to say someone just took Skillet, but, like, somebody's trying to, like, hide him. Like, someone's trying to hide the fact that he's missing. And that is not good, and yeah, I should make a little bridge here. This is my flag shop. Isn't it nice? It looks like a boar. I think it looks like a boar. Oh no. I think it looks like a boar. Because here's the eyes. And then here's kind of like the muzzle. And then like it just, you know, like. And then we have this. We have these flags and these flags and these flags. We have all our dyes. We have the wool and sticks to make banners. Here's some of the already made ones for the people to buy. Down here we have a cactus thing, so we can get green dye. Yay. Okay, oh man. It's really hard getting up. So, oh wait, did I replant them? No, I didn't. Okay, thank you for reminding me. Okay. Ah! Ladder. Ah! Oh my gosh. Dulce Bunny has been pricked to death by a cactus. Yay, now we have 24 cactuses now. Here's my price book. Everything's kind of... I wouldn't say it's like... It's not expensive, but it's not the cheapest thing ever because, you know, you gotta make a profit. And then down here are the flowers to bone meal for more extra dyes. But, like, my prices, I think I made it so that they can be cheap. Yeah, so, like, people can pay with dye or ink sacs. So... How did that get up here? Wait a second. Hello? Are you tame? I think you are. Okay. Great. Okay, nice, okay. And then I'll show you my, I have like a honeycomb business mixed with flower business. Which is over here. Because I thought it was fitting to put it by the graveyard because, you know, people need flowers when people die. But back here we have a bunch of flowers, some cactus, some flowers to bone meal. Here's my bees, which I have a very inefficient way of keeping them because I did not put smoke under them because I don't know how to keep bees. So instead I just made this extravagant wall so that you can't get too close to them so they can't sting you and die. Oh my gosh, but that can sting you and die. I mean, you can die. Okay, that I wasn't actually expecting anything to be in there. And then here's the other thing, which has crafting table. I was making some not banners. I was making banners. Yeah, I was making these bee banners for the Beehive SMP. Fun stuff, fun stuff. And this place is also, like, I mean, it's not the cheapest thing because some of the stuff is, like, harder to get. Because my foreign flowers, like, stuff that's, like, really hard to find, I have, like, you can pay with 1 emerald, 50 coal, or 5 iron. Which, I know some of those are different. They're not necessarily equal in price, but, you know, I need an abundance of things. I need iron, I need stuff. You know. The huge. Then we also have, I don't know if that was something that was existent. We have the skeleton spawner, which was my flag shop, but then now we have zombies around. We were mining and then we just dug straight up from it so that we could find where it was, and it was right there. What else could Wild's Bakery need, I wonder? What is this? Is this pig step? I know Wild has pig step. I understand why she wouldn't put it in a bakery though. Honey. I could get some extra honey for her. Here, I'll steal her bottles because I don't have glass. Don't tell her. But I'm making profits. I'm making profits. I think Forg has some honey. I mean, some bees. What else? Oh, pumpkins. I could get some pumpkins too. Oh, and eggs. No, she doesn't need any more eggs. You walk in there and it's just eggs. I hear a zombie. I could steal some of Forg's. Not like I would steal, but you know, he has pumpkins. Listen, I'm not stealing the honey because he told me that I could have it. Not now, but like a long time ago he told me that I could have his honey if I ever needed it. Parkour. Yeah. Nice. Okay. Let's get these pumpkins. That is not a pumpkin. This farm has gotten really nice. Uh-oh. Spaghetti-o. Did I pick them up? Okay, I did. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Here. Take them. Okay. It's fine. Everything's fine. We are not wrecking things. We are trying to fix things and make things good when things are not going good. If that makes sense, which it doesn't. Yeah, I'm so good at parkour. I'm so good. Okay, sweet. Okay, I think... Wow, that's 40 pumpkins? That didn't feel like 40 pumpkins. Wait, was that nighttime this entire time? Oh, and I can mine the cocoa beans too. Do you need an axe to mine those? Can you just punch them? I guess axe is faster, but this isn't exactly not fast. Cool. Oh, I could have gotten some from forks too, but I didn't ask, so... Great. Okay, I think this is a profitable day for Rosie's Bakery. Okay, this goes somewhere. This goes here. Honey goes there too. There's the glass bottles. Pumpkins. Oh no. Oh, I'm lagging. Okay. Great, okay. I could cook. I can make some things. What's something that we don't have an abundance of? We have 20 pumpkin pies. We can make some cakes. Or cookies? How do you make cookies? Wait, I think sugar? Do we need sugar? Sugar. Oh, this. Okay. Cookie. Okay. Oh, it's just wheat. Oh, that makes a lot. Okay, let's make some cookies, I guess. Let's make 64. That's not 64. Okay, okay. No. Okay, okay, okay. Well, she won't have to make cookies for a while. That's a good thing, right? Oh my goodness. Okay, okay. Um, wait, where did I put other wheat? Wait, I had a ton of wheat. Okay. Is cake, egg, sugar, wheat? Cake. Oh, and milk. Oh. Oh goodness, this is not gonna be fun. Okay, cake. All that for one cake. Nice. Okay, I don't know where she wants cake. Oh, probably here, because this looks like stuff that would have cake. I'll just... Wait, where did I get the glass bottles from? Did I not put all of them? Have I been pressing the wrong button? Okay, I'm gonna... I can make some cakes from this. My goal today is make 5 cakes. Okay. Or should I say, oh cake. I am hilarious. Give me your milk. Thank you. Cake. Okay. Oh, they don't stack? Uh-huh. Okay. Come here. Yeah, nice. Okay. Cake. Okay, that's 5 cakes. I'm done. Bye. Oh my goodness. Ouch. My back hurts. I don't know why, actually. Oh, I shouldn't have made... You know what? My entire life is just a mistake. What's another one? Here, just take the sugar. Here's the... You know what? She won't need milk, right? Because I made the cakes. Right, okay. This is a super cute block. That's not a block! I was... Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I thought it was a block. Okay, was it like that? Was that how it was? Oh, no. Okay, it's fine. Is this how it was? Did it normally look like this? Okay, that's how it looked like, right? That's it. That's it. Okay. Oh my goodness. I am wrecking everything. I cannot. I cannot. I physically and mentally cannot. Oh man. Okay, okay. Everything's okay. I could get some soup. Do you think I can, with all the work that I've done? Wait a second. Wild said there was a donation box. Hold on. Where is said donation box? Is it in the community center? What are these? Oh, that's the windows. Okay. I'm running out of food. Okay. Yeah, maybe it's in the community center. I'll go back there. This is Bakery Bridge. Bakery bridge. There could be more flowers here. I think that is a good idea. Okay. What is this? Okay, I don't know. Complaints and concerns. Oh, yeah, that was from me. Oops. Can I put it in Wild's mailbox? Or... Wait, what's this? Oh, okay. Wait a second. Okay, not to just steal things from people's mailboxes. But, I could be putting these up where they used to be before they were taken down. There was one over here. No, there was one over here that was missing. Right, okay. And then there was another one somewhere. No, those two are there. Wait, where'd I... Oh, it's right there. It's raining. Okay, there's one. Any missing sign things? I mean, missing signs, but like, missing signs that are missing. That's ironic. That one is there. There's one on the bridge. Huh. Okay, that one's there. Well, these ones are all here. That one's there. Was there one? Oh my goodness, I hear a zombie. It's probably underground. Well, there's one. Okay. I think I put one on the bamboo. Huh. So it's just those two missing? Or maybe there's... I don't know. I don't know where they're missing. The missing signs are missing. But only two of them. But there used to be more missing because we replaced the ones that were missing before. Yeah. Huh. I could have sworn there were more missing though, that like were recently missing again, because like I thought that like they were like all gone. I felt like they were like any time I saw one, they were gone. That one's there. Is the one over there there? And there's one over there that's still there. Wow, we made a lot of these. Oh wait, there's one missing. Okay. Bam. Nailed it. Yay! Okay, all the missing signs are up. Well, maybe. I don't know. All the ones that I can put up are up. I think I'm gonna go back to the statue that Jenna was by a while ago, cause I know. Oh my gosh, I cannot do lily pad. Lily on the lily pads. Lily on the lily pads, not in the water. Okay, I'm lagging. But I only did a little dip. Lily on the lily pads, lily on the lily pads. Okay. Lily on the lily pads, lily on... Lily not on the lily pads. Okay, huh. I mean, this is like really cool actually. Like, it looks really old, but like at the same time, it looks like brand new. But like, there's stuff all over it. Yeah, we could definitely trim these weeds though. It's pretty. Like, this must have been really hard to like make. It's got wings. It's like an angel kind of thing. Okay, wait, can I climb it? Okay, I'm gonna try and parkour over. Ooh, okay, I'm gonna try and parkour over there. That did not work. Okay, I'm not gonna kill myself today. I'm not. Death, no. Death, not today, please. But like, it's a cool little structure. It's not very lit up here though. Might want to go back soon because it's kind of dark over there, and I could get shot by a skeleton. But like, there's moss everywhere. I wonder, like, did this not used to be a river, or did like this sink down? Because like, there's these things, which are all underwater. Or was it meant to be something? Was there like a bridge here or something that was meant to like be that? But like, I doubt that these were meant to just go underwater like this here. Like, these maybe, but this, nah. That doesn't make any sense. And this thing looks a lot like it too. I imagine these went together. Because they're like the same material, right? I mean, I assume so. They have the same lights. They look the same age. Except for the weird thing about this one is this one's like broken in half here. Like, it has this side, but then this side is just, nah. No to that side. There's a lot of stuff over here. We got the cemetery. Got whatever that is. We got the statue. Got my flag shop. The skeleton spawner. The tower. Then we have this fountain too, which is kind of weird. I mean, it's not made out of the same material as the other ones, but I don't know when this got here. It was here when we got here. Yeah. It's a nice place. I mean, other than the phantoms, maybe. Maybe other than that, that's a good thing. That's a no. I don't like that. No, please, please stop. Please. No, please. Oh my goodness. Okay. We are hanging out in here. Hello, Cornelius. How are you? We are gonna hide out here, and there's beds, but I don't think we can sleep. Hi, Cornelius. 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 That's not how I would spell Cornelius, but that is Cornelius. Okay. Nice. Okay, we can go downstairs for a little bit, I guess. I don't know how much of this I showed off, but okay, I'm burning. We have this, which is the meeting room. Very nice. I can go up here and lecture an invisible audience. And then over here we have the beds, which is our spawn. And then we have some like donation stuff, which we still need to donate more to. Oh, well, this side's more full. For anything anybody may need. I did not close. Somebody got rid of my pressure plates. Okay, it's fine. And then here's the garbage room, the recycling bin. No. Wild keeps killing all the chickens on the mainland, and sad, but yeah, we got the valuable stuff, we got this stuff, the mob stuff, we got the mining stuff, so we got a lot of, we got lots of armor and tools. Nice. We got miscellaneous, I'm guessing. Yeah. But the garbage room, I'm glad. I'm glad we have that. I have now been informed that I am getting glitchy. Please hold. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Please do not do this to me. Okay, of course when I get informed that I'm glitchy, I'm good. Okay, I get that. Okay, I'm good now. Maybe. I hope so. Thank you very much for telling me. That is not good. Okay, I'm good. Okay. Is phantoms. No? I don't I don't think they just despawn, do they? Did someone kill them? I have to sneeze. Oh no. Okay, I no longer have to sneeze, but I still have to sneeze, if that makes sense. I am very low on food. Okay, please stop, please. I might actually go snatch some of the food from the basement. Ouch. That is not the right room. Ah. Okay, I'm just gonna take like a few. Bam. Nailed it. And then I can get my own. Okay, I think the phantoms are gone. I hope they are gone. I mean, I didn't... Yeah, I think they're gone. I wonder... The door's open. What's this? Dear Diary, today was a pretty fun day. Forg, Lily, and Wild gave me a tour of this place, and it's really nice. I was able to get a dog. Her name is Flory. I don't know whose diary this is, and I don't know anyone who has a dog named Flory. Dear Diary, lots of hunting today. I didn't get much food, but Forg was nice enough to give me some. It's getting a bit lonely here, but I still have Flory. Dear Diary, I've been so busy lately, I haven't been able to write in my diary. Things have been strange, to say the least. I found a weird area in the mountains, and something hasn't felt right to me since. That's the same... That's the same area as... That's the same area That's the same area as the contaminated area that Wild showed me, I think. Lily visited my house today. Why is she here? She was here again. I don't know why she keeps coming here. If she wants to be here so badly, why doesn't she just live here? Maybe I should make her a place to stay here forever. I told her to watch her back when I found her. She should watch after Skillet, you know? Is she talking? Are they talking about me? She's so irresponsible. Flory almost died. Okay, the dog. She got blown up by a creeper. It had to have been Lily. It had to be her. I hate her. I hate her. I know she's reading this right now. Watch out, Lily. Okay, I'm so tired. Everything is going wrong. I don't know what is happening. Please. I'm in charge now. Stop screaming. Stop crying. Get out. Please. Okay. Hello?
Hi, Lily.
Hi.
What are you doing here?
I was just coming over here to see what was up. Where have you been?
That's not relevant. Why does it matter?
Um, because you've been gone and so has my son. What are
You
you,
know,
what are you doing?
I really. You have a son at home, don't you?
Uh, well, he's been missing. He's gone.
That's a shame. That's really a shame.
What are you doing?
You know, I your son, Skillet, is it?
Yeah.
Well, maybe what would happen if something happened to him? What would you do?
I don't know. Do you need do you need help? What is that?
You know what, Lily?
What? What?
I can't with you.
Oh, okay.
You break that.
Oh,
Break
okay.
that.
Okay. There you go.
Go down there.
What's down there?
Come on. Just nothing. I want to show you something.
Okay. What is this?
I don't know.
What is that? Do
Open
you,
it.
okay.
Go on.
What is this?
Come on. Just, you know, I thought I could trust you.
I I thought
No,
I
you
could
were really
trust
cool.
you.
You were real. Go in there. You were really cool, and
Okay.
I thought we would be friends. I liked you, and I thought you were awesome. And my first day here, I thought that we were going to be friends.
Why aren't we friends?
You and me and Wild. I thought we were going to be friends. I really did.
Okay.
You know, my dog, Flory, she's my baby, right? You know she is. You know how much I love her kid. You know how much I love her.
Hey, whoa. Stop,
Don't
stop.
hit me. Don't hit me.
What are you doing? Stop.
Your son Skillet. I might know what happened to him,
What happened to him?
but I don't think you deserve to know. But I'm sorry. But maybe it's for the best.
Hey,
And maybe
what?
it's, I don't know. I mean, honestly, I thought that we were friends. I thought that I could trust you, but then Flory almost died. And I know that it was because of you. I know that you almost killed her.
No, I didn't do anything to your dog.
Stop pretending like you didn't.
I
You almost took something of mine, so I took something of
I
yours.
didn't do anything to your dog, Rose.
I know you did.
I didn't do anything.
I know you did. I know you did. I know for a fact. I saw you. I cannot tell you how many times I have come to my house and I have seen you here. Just standing there, just doing nothing. I know it was you.
Are you kidding me? Why can't I just come to your house and be friends with you? You're the one who said that we
What
could
else
be
would you have
friends,
been
that
doing if
wanted
you
us to
weren't
be
here to
friends.
hurt anything?
I'm not here to hurt anything. What do you
I
mean?
know you were.
People go to people's houses. What do you expect?
Not unless they have bad intentions.
That's not how that works.
I know it was you. You don't have to pretend that it wasn't.
I didn't do anything to your dog.
I wasn't mad at first. I was disappointed because I thought I could trust you and I thought we were friends, but I wasn't mad. Now I'm mad because you're denying it, and I know it was you.
I didn't do anything to your dog, Rose. Stop it. Let me out of here.
Lily.
No, let me out.
No. You took something of mine, so I took something of yours.
I didn't do anything to you.
Yes, you did. I know you did. And it sucks because I thought we would be able to get past it, but obviously we can't.
You're the one who's making this an issue. I didn't do anything to your dog. What did you do to Skillet?
I know
What
you
do to my
did.
kid?
I know you did. Your
Hey.
kid is not relevant in this situation.
Why not? He's been missing for how many days, and so have you. That doesn't seem like something that wouldn't line up. Did you take him?
Oh, so now you're accusing me.
Yes, I am.
How does it feel, Lily? It feels horrible to have something that you love taken away from you.
Yes.
I know it was you.
And I didn't do anything to your dog, Rose. You need to believe me.
I know that you did it.
Hey. Hey, Rose.
Lily,
Rose, let me out, please.
I told you.
Rose,
I told you.
Rose, stop playing, please.
I knew it was you.
Rose,
I knew it was you.
please. Rose,
I knew it was you.
please.
I'm sorry. I knew I couldn't trust her.